air fryer chicken dishes. Here are the ingredients. Here's the seasoning: black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, celery, cheese, eggs, tofu, tapioca powder, flour, chicken breast. White pepper in, onion powder, garlic powder, egg in, tapioca powder, use the flour in, the glove, and we'll marinate it. Mix well and wait for half an hour to put into air fryer. This is the original flavor. The smell. That's good. Savory seasoning with the chicken and cheese together. That's moist, soft and tender. Very nice taste. Drink this. Like this. Put on some ketchup. More flavors. The cheese and ketchup are a really good match. So I like this with ketchup better. Black pepper, salt, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, tapioca powder, flour, use the sieve to filter, glove, and now to mix well, and then marinate it and put it for half an hour, then put into air fryer. Let's marinate. Mix everything together. So mix well and be sticky like this. Original flavor. It's crispy outside. Let's try this. Soft, moist, tender and juicy inside with tofu and celery. It's high protein and high fiber. Very good savory taste. Excellent. Let's put some ketchup. That's extra flavor with the ketchup there. So I like this with the ketchup flavor better. I already cut the chicken breast and I'm ready for marinating now. So I'm gonna put in the seasoning. Black pepper, salt, white pepper, curry powder, onion powder. Here's the next step. I'll put some celery. Spread it. Some cheese. Spread it. Then cover up. Use the toothpick. Make sure they're together. And then put the mayonnaise on top of it. Spread. This is the AirFryer grilled chicken breast. Just remember, to taste this, please take out the toothpick first. Try this original flavor. Great smell. Soft, moist, tender, juicy inside with the cheese. That's very good, savory taste. Some ketchup on top of it. So the celery, cheese, chicken combined with the ketchup, that's a great match. Excellent. I like this with ketchup better. Air fryer drumstick. I cut the drumstick open to make it easy in the air fryer to cook. Here's the seasoning I'm going to use. The black pepper. Black pepper in. And some salt. This is the white pepper. This is garlic powder. Onion. And some oil. We're gonna put in different flour to make it crispy. So this one is baking powder, and then the flour, and then tapioca powder. This is the air fryer grilled drumstick. I'm going to taste it. Original flavor. That's great chicken smell. Soft, moist, tender and juicy, very well seasoned. Excellent savory taste. ketchup. It gives extra ketchup taste. So combined with the grilled chicken, that's very good, savory taste. I like this flavor better. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.